Hi, my name is Uday Narayanan and I'm a photojournalist based in New Delhi, India. This August, I was selected for Sean Gallagher's free photography mentorship program, and we have just wrapped up the third and final session. For me, one of the key takeaways from this program was understanding the difference between capturing individual photographs and building a cohesive story through images. And I found that Sean's mentorship was invaluable in bridging this gap. During the course of 3 months, we had three video sessions where Sean and I discussed the progress of my story. And getting feedback from someone with his depth of experience in the industry is incredibly helpful. So, if you're looking for a mentor who can help you become a better storyteller, regardless of where you're starting from, I would highly recommend Sean's mentorship program. You will come out of it a better storyteller without a doubt.